Back at the same house that we was at earlier for the flooding, and it's daytime now, so we can see it a little better, some of what's happened. But with that pipe that busted, you can see up here how now they've insulated this underneath the bay. Last night we tried to get some pictures of it. I don't know if they really turned out very good. I don't even know if we could even see much of it like this. But you can see they finally put some insulation in it. But I mean, without being nitpicky, see how they smash that insulation in there? Well, that's nice, but when you smash insulation, it deletes it. It's the air pockets in it that creates the insulating value. All you did there is just stick a bunch of water crap in there. You lost your insulation value. But this contractor here, he is a whiz bang. Excuse me. But see, you got into our electrical box. But I want to show you this, man. Look at this ice cube. Can you see that? Well, I want to see if you can get a good picture of that here. Can you see that? It's kind of difficult with the colors and the lighting. But look at that. Going all the way down into it. And look along this foundation. Look here. This literally was running out of the window. See that? So running out of the window down. You can see it. See that? It's all the way down through here. Look at that. Look what's coming out of this electrical box. Look at the ice coming out of the electrical box. Isn't that something? Wow. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. I mean, the water just poured out of here. Look at that. This is just because they literally did not, when they took the deck off, they did not insulate they took off the deck, they took off the band board, they didn't put the insulation in, they didn't plastic it over. We hit some cold weather and it just wreaked havoc on this house. Anyway, we're going to keep on giving more updates as we go along on all of this and show you the process. They're coming back in this afternoon and ripping all the drywall out. Well, the upstairs part of the house now, the hardwoods are all starting to buckle. It's really a mess, folks. The lesson here is don't let if you got a contractor doing some work, hire us. We're a construction quality verification company. We come in and make sure things are being done right. By the time we get called in on a job like this, only thing we're doing is verifying the problem and the cause, not stopping it. Hire us. Galloway Building Services, St. Louis, Missouri. If you're looking for the highest rated reviewed company, that is us. We can help you. Save yourself from this idiocy. Thank you very much for watching our videos. May God bless you all.